Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the plant room. So today, you guys have met Ashley. She's still with me. We are going to look at my jungle cactus. I think this one is referred to as a fishbone cactus. So we'll get into it. If you like this type of content, stick around. All right, guys. So as I mentioned in the intro, we're gonna attempt to repot this plant. What happened is that she's kind of heavy, leaning to one side, and my grandbabies were playing, and she tipped over. So we've got a lot of pieces that snapped, as you can see right here. We're just gonna go ahead and take that off of here. Got a couple more over here and over here. But what I noticed, I guess it's a good thing that she did fall, was that apparently at some point she had rotted from here. Let me turn her around or lean her towards you. You see that pot, that piece right there? It's not completely rotted, and this is salvageable, but it's not connected to the pot anymore. Therefore, it's not picking up any water, any nutrition, or anything like that. So the first thing that we're going to do is try to separate this from here. Somehow figure out how she's entwined in all of this. So I see, you see it?
Yeah.
So she's like,
She's stuck under there.
it looks like she's found a way to root herself. Oh, and there I go, snapping another piece. That's interesting, the way she's got herself all tangled up in here. So it's literally, yeah, that tumble.
Wow.
It's okay, it's just a plant. Okay, so this appears to go that way. And so does that. No, this looks like it needs to come over here. There, she's coming. That, ouch, she just stuck me.
I'm afraid I don't want to break anything.
It's like she's buried in there. She kind of is. Okay, I got it. I'm kind of trying to save this piece because we're going to reroot this. And Ashley's going to take this one with her. Did I just hear it? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, there she goes.
Is it this one too?
Yeah.
Here?
She found a way to save herself by rooting. Look.
Oh, that
you
is
see
crazy.
That? She rooted herself in there. That's why she wasn't dying.
So it's like they just know.
She's got another, so there's another piece she's connected to. Okay, you hold that one.
Okay.
And I'll find how she's in here. So it's to take that part out. But we're going to leave the rest. And when I put her in, I think I'm going to try to put her in at an angle so that she's not so top heavy.
Yeah.
And I might still have to find another heavier ceramic pot so that she doesn't tilt.
Okay.
So, guys, I'm going to use the same aeroid mix I use for everything. I get that she's not an aeroid, but there's a lot of components in this mix that I think will be beneficial for her. In this particular batch, I don't have a whole lot of cocoa husk, and there's not a lot of orchid bark, but it's the right consistency. You see how it doesn't clump, for good drainage and to hold some of that moisture for this plant where I'm not having to water her as much, because at the end of the day, it's still a cacti, right? And we know that if you water your cactus too much, what happens? they rot. So we're going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to hold it, put like maybe right about up to there for the soil. Okay, let's see what that looks like. So, and I want to try to pot her this way a little bit. Okay.
You want me to hold it?
No, you're going back though. I'll hold.
Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm just gonna use my hands if that's all right.
Yeah, that's fine. That's how I like to do
Yeah.
it.
It's more messy, but hey.
That's okay. We got brooms. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of that and come this way. Okay, let me turn her around for you.
All right.
And I'm going to lift her.
Okay.
And you'll see that there is...
Oh yeah. Oop.
So one of the things I like to do is when I'm repotting, I don't like to press down in the middle. I like to press down around the sides because that way I know that there's no air pockets, right?
Ah, I didn't know that.
And then we can spread out what's there to cover where we just pressed down.
Oops, sorry.
Okay, that looks good.
It's good like that.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna give her a, she's still gonna lean forward.
Do I need to put more?
No, I think that's just, she's been growing like this for
She's
so
heavy.
long.
Mm-hmm.
This is just the way she's going to grow. Okay, I want to take a little bit out. I don't want the dirt to touch the leaves too much
Okay.
because they hold the moisture. And I'm afraid I might get a little bit of leaf rot. But I think that's good. Slap the pot.
Ah, well, let's
Spank the pot.
Gotcha.
Okay, I think that's good. All right, so
Looks better.
I think so. This is what she looks like. I am going to have to find something a little heavier to keep her steady. But we're going to go ahead and not move her to the side.
You need this?
Well, what I want to do is, let's see the pieces, yeah, and let's see what we got
Can I
there.
set that right here?
So we might not be able to repot these today because with this particular plant, I do like to see it callus over because they will rot. But because she has this growth point here, I don't want to plant her like this, right? With just this supporting her in the dirt.
Yeah.
So what I'd like to do is cut her right about here, let that callus in here, and we'll put all of the branches in together to make one fuller pot.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So I'm going to grab the scissors. Let me go ahead and take a squeeze. Paper towel.
There you
And I'm going to show you where to cut.
go. Okay.
So we're going to cut right here where we see the brown. So guys, I'm going to show you where I'm telling her to cut. So we're going to snip right here where it started to dry. We're going to separate this plant from this leaf. And she's broken in a couple of places. We're going to snip that off as well and let those callus over. And then maybe tomorrow or What day is tomorrow? Monday. Tuesday, we'll end up putting this in a pot all by itself. That way she can take this one back with her. So, like right there.
Okay.
So we want that to dry over.
Okay.
And then, let's see. I would snip right here. Okay. So this is one big nice help.
Yeah.
Let's take this stem off so I can callus too. Take that one off.
This part right here.
Yeah.
Ooh. I don't want to get your fingers.
You don't. Right there you
Okay.
go. All right. So that's one piece. This one, we've got some broken sections, so we're going to snip those.
Okay.
Now these will grow. Snip that one right here.
These will all grow back?
Mm-hmm. That looks fine. Okay, so we've got
one.
Yep. This is one. This is one. This is one. All of these will propagate. I feel something else. Is that snapped? Yeah, that's snapped.
Oh, in here.
Okay. So we've got all of these little ones. These I probably might put in water once they callus over. And once you see the roots, then you can plant it. But these two will pot together.
Okay.
And these will water root. Yep. All right, guys. So I've shown my daughter-in-law how to repot a jungle cactus or a fishbone. She's going to take these back to Texas with her, and she's going to send us pictures of her progress. So, channel updates real quick before we say goodbye. We're working on the website, and we'll have plant merch soon. We'll have baby propagations for you guys to purchase. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Something else that I wanted to mention is we're at 875 subscribers. We're just this far away from hitting 1,000. Help me reach that 1,000. It would do the channel real good. And last but not least, guys, I super appreciate you spending time with us. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.